Hi class, today we're going to be making our first iMovie. So let's get started by making sure we have everything we needed on our computer. First thing I want you to do, if you have not already installed iMovie on your computer, head on over to self-service and then click the install button. How will you know you need to install it? Well, if we do a quick search here on our computer for like say the Launchpad, um, you'll head on over in the Launchpad and search for iMovie. And if it does not appear, then you want to make sure you head over to self-service and install it. But let me go ahead and double click iMovie here. And it should be opening up. Sometimes it'll bounce. If there's a little dot underneath it, you know that it's open. There we go. So iMovie will remember where you were the last time you used iMovie. So if I am inside a movie editing it, it's going to drop me inside of the movie. Here, we're ready to create our first project. So what I'm going to do is click the plus sign. So we're looking over here. Let me zoom in on the left-hand side to create new. When you click create new, you have the option of creating a movie or creating a trailer. Trailers are so cool, but we're not going there today. That's for another day. Today, we're just going to select the word movie. And so I want you to click on movie, and then it should populate our next movie. This one is called My Movie 4. I'm actually going to be making a movie with you guys, and so we'll title that at the end. Let's do a quick little preview so you kind of have an idea as to what we're going to, the options that we're going to have when we're creating a movie. Well, on the left-hand side, we're just going to kind of read real quick, but we have our project media. And so as we're bringing things in today, they're going to appear here. You also have access to your photos on your computer and other events as well. When we look up here at the top, we have some labels, and these labels indicate what we're going to see when we're there. For example, my media would be your videos and your photos. Audio and video, this is going to be more of like our sound effects. That's how we're going to use it today. And so when we want to add anything extra to our movie, we'll head over here. We're going to be working with titles today. And so when we're creating a movie, we can kind of create a theater-ish type of feel by adding in certain titles to our film. There are backgrounds. So sometimes you might just want a background with a curtain or a globe. And so some of these different backgrounds are available for you when you create your movie. And then, of course, lastly, there's transitions. We'll try to build in a fun transition as well. I tend to stay away from transitions, but like I said, depending on what you're creating, these could be a lot of fun. Let me move my video over here. Okay, because on the right-hand side, you're going to see that this is the preview pane. So preview pane would be where we're going to be able to preview our movie and where we're going to see the clip that we're working on to be able to edit. And so all of these cool tools right here, and even this little magic wand looking thing, these are all going to be available for us so that we can edit the audio, the video, and the pictures, the way it looks. And so whenever you have any questions like, I wonder if I can change the color of this picture, or I wonder if I can slow it down, speed it up, make it go in reverse, I wonder if I can stop the movement. All of those things are going to be up here in our editing tools inside of this preview pane. The last thing you want to know about is down here on the bottom. This is going to be our work area. You're going to see all of our video clips, so we're going to drag and drop them in, but you're going to see all of the video clips here. And so we're going to be able to move them into chronological order and kind of like see everything from a different view, like a view where we could see everything kind of like you flip through a book. Whereas here in this preview pane, it's more like looking at one page of a book. So we have some fun things to look forward to. What I need you to do is make sure that you're ready by opening up iMovie and then starting your new movie so that we can create something together.